Hey everyone! Welcome back to my Real Property Law series. Today, let's talk about what you actually own when you own land. Owning land isn't just one simple thing, it's a bundle of rights called an estate. The biggest one is called fee simple. This gives you the closest thing to full ownership forever, and you can pass it on to anyone. But there are other types too. 1. Leasehold estates. You rent the land or building for a set time. 2. Life estates. You own it for as long as a person is alive. 3. Easements. Someone else's right to use part of your land, like a shared driveway or a path. Knowing these is super important, because in real life and in exams, you'll often have to figure out who can do what on a piece of land. If this helped clear things up, please subscribe, like, and drop a comment below to tell me what topic you'd like me to explain next. See you in the next video.